Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Wednesday, July the 13th. The hits keep on coming. New highs yesterday and new highs in the Dow as well. Even the S&P was up 15 points, an 8% boom off the bottom, so continuing to move higher. 2147 is where the futures closed yesterday. Dow, new records there as well. 18,264 in the futures, up 117. So we've got two of the big three. The last one is the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq was up 0.5% yesterday, leading the way up 20 points, but still down 1/3% in 2016, but 10% off the June 27 lows. So it's been quite a rally. Looking at the currency markets, things were steady yesterday. The dollar pulled back 10, the euro bounced 10 points, up around the 111 level, but the action was in the British pound. The British pound had a high yesterday at 133, so that's quite a move off the 128 lows that we saw here recently. Looking at the bonds, continued unwinding there, down 2 points in the long bond, 174 was the close, so we saw a key reversal here this week where we made new highs and closed lower. So we'll look to see if the worst is over in that treasury market. Crude oil was the mover of the day, up 5%, gaining $2, 46.60. We talked yesterday how about it was down to a lower base level that it had been at back in April, and we saw a big bounce. Let's see if there's any follow through. $50 up above, something to keep an eye on. Also on the move was gold, down 1.5%, unwinding there. 1335 was closed, down 21. It's been a couple consecutive sessions in the red for that gold market. So after another positive burst yesterday and records, where do things stand here on this Wednesday morning? Well, we're positive once again, up about 0.15% in the stock indexes. So the S&P's up 4 points right now, Dow futures up 20, and the Nasdaq's up 11, leading the way very, very close to the unchanged level for 2016, the last of the big three. Interesting action yesterday. VIX yesterday for the second day in a row was positive, even though the stock market had made new highs. So that's something to keep an eye on because typically they move in opposite directions, but the VIX has been gaining even though the stock market has been in rally mode to record highs. Currencies are quiet, dollar down another 10 points, euro up 10 points as we stand. We're seeing bonds bounce back after the big sell-off yesterday of 2 points, up 1 full point. So rates are moving a bit lower after this firmness that we've seen here recently. Crude oil is giving back 40 cents right now, down about 1%. 46.10 is where it stands. And gold is coming back $8 after the sell-off yesterday. Right now it's at 1343, down 0.5%. So to sum up this current action with half an hour to go before the cash stock market opened, firmness in the stock indexes, up 4 in the S&P, up 20 in the Dow, and up 11 in the Nasdaq. Let's keep an eye on the banks. Bank earnings here are Thursday and Friday. That's going to set the tone for the stock market. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.